What's up everyone, welcome back to Forrenn Wraps. Today I have a Model Y here right behind me and it's a finished product. I just wanted to go over a couple of things and actually explain to you what goes into a high quality color change.
What's going on, guys? This is Hayden over at Forrenn Wraps. I'm here to show you this Model 3 that we just finished up earlier this week in a 3M Satin Thunder Cloud. We did the door jambs on this and the exterior in a full color change. The most intensive part of it is removing some of the doors carefully without damaging any product or damaging the client's vehicle. Whenever we are removing the doors, we have them on stands. We're able to get behind certain panels without removing anything. Anytime you remove something in the industry, there's always a possibility for something to be damaged, whether it's plastic clips or a one-time use thing. So we try to remove as minimal things as possible while still maintaining a good install. Our main objective for installs are longevity and quality. We take a lot of pride in how we start our installs. They're always with a decontamination. We've invested a lot of time and research into our products as far as what is the highest quality piece of equipment that we can use to deliver our clients a high quality product. We've invested in an obsessed garage pressure washer system. We're in a temperature controlled environment. 75 is the best temperature to install applied films. Once we finish with the vinyl wrap, the full color change of the car is complete. It is always recommended by the manufacturer to do a ceramic coating, which we also did on this car. It keeps the longevity of the film and also preserves the fit and finish of the vehicle as soon as it leaves the showroom. We also did some satin black badges on the front and rear of the car. I think these look awesome. We've had the chrome badges painted. Anytime you paint chrome, it is likely to chip because the paint does not stick to it very well. It has to be scuffed. So these new options for the satin black badges look really, really slick. I would recommend these to anybody that wants to change their appearance, even if they aren't doing a color change wrap. Thank you guys for watching. Our next vehicle, I want y'all to stay tuned for it. I'm super excited about it. It is a Cybertruck we are doing in a gloss black paint protection film. So pretty stoked about that. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. Tell us your feedback, tell us what you like, give us some more pointers, tell us what you want to see in the next video, and thanks.